All right, now that our hello world works successfully in Fast API, let's go ahead and start writing some configurations that we'll need in our app. So I'll come to the util file, util folder, and then create a new file called config.py. In this file, I will import OS, we'll use it. I'll also import typing. So from typing, I'll import OS. From typing, I will import optional because we'll also make use of it. So from typing, import optional. Then I will also import base setting from Pydantic. So from Pydantic, I will import base setting. Hope this work as expected. I'll import base setting. Then I will create a class. So I'm going to create a class called settings. Then it should take my base setting as a parameter. I believe you know how to create a class in Python. If not, you have to read more about it. So with this class, I can set parameters on it. So first I will set um, project name on it, the project name. I want it to be attendance, it should be string. So attendance system. I hope my spellings are right. Attendance system. Um, I'll also set, okay, so we'll start with this for now. We'll continuously set them as we need them.